How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to crack your knuckles very loud for beginners, easy. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. So first exercise, you're going to take your second knuckle. So this is your first knuckle. You're going to take your second knuckle, get your palm, and you're just going to give it a little push like this. And again, that was actually really, really loud. Again, it's hard to hear in this room because this room's super big, so it might not have sounded loud to you on the video that you're watching right now, but for me right now, that was super loud. Usually after the first time you crack your knuckles, you're not going to hear a loud sound. If you do hear a sound, it's going to be not as loud as the first time. So we'll do it again. And again, a little bit, like very, very little sound. But again, that first crack that you do, like that was pretty loud. That's going to be your best bet. You have to wait about half an hour after if you want to try doing it again. Again, normally after you crack the first time, the second, third, fourth, fifth time aren't going to be as loud. Some people, they can literally just touch their knuckles and go like this and they can make loud sounds. For me, once I do it 3 to 4 times, that's it for the sound until you wait about half an hour. Cracking your knuckles, the sound really doesn't do much. I mean, it doesn't mean much aside from being cool. The point of cracking your knuckles is to get tension relief in your hands. So typically what I'll do is I'll go like this. And again, don't push hard, just little pushes. You should not feel pain when you're doing this. If you do it, if you feel pain, you're pressing way too hard. I'll do about 10 reps on this side. I'll do 10 reps on this side too. I will do this when I'm typing or when I'm on the computer. I will do it once every hour. It literally takes like 20 seconds. And this helps my hands when I'm typing. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.